Hello, my dear viewers. As you can see, I just hit 2.03 million profit per hour, and this is so great. This is so great. And how was I able to make this? Just in just few period. It's just all the updates I'll be giving you guys. That's what I do follow. Buy the right card. You can see some of my cards are still in low, very low level. You can see this one is even level 1. So I don't buy cards anyhow. I'll be releasing videos on the right cards to buy. You can see I just bought this card now. Can just check. So when you buy the right cards, your profit per hour will be flying. That's how it is. You go to Lego, check all these down card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see most of these cards in Lego. I've upgraded them to something like level 15, level 13, above level 10. Check. So you go and try that now. Go and try that. Then you go to specials as well. Go to specials. You can see this card now. I'll be buying this card is already level 7. Already level 7. I'll be buying the card before the card with something like a count out. Already you can check all these specials card. Just look for some card that if you click on it, you will check the amount to the profit per hour. If the amount is very low and the profit per hour is very high, just buy them. Those are the right cards to buy. Just check. If you check, for example, okay, let me show you one. You can see what you are paying. Look at what you are getting. This one is not high. That one is not high. It's not high at all. Okay, let me show you one card in PRO and team. Let me show you one card in PRO and team. You can check this card I just got now. Check. If I pay 1 point something million, I'm going to get 10,000 profit per hour. That is the right cards. That is the right card to buy. That's the right card to buy. Let's check this development team. So if you pay 770 144, then you're going to get, is this the right card? You buy it. So that is how to know the right cards to buy. If you check this one, if I pay almost 1 million, I'm going to get 834. But check this one, if I pay 1 million, I'm going to have 10,000 something. You just check it. That is how to know the right card to buy in order to have high profit per hour. You can check my profit per hour now. It's flying. I'm already earning 2.04 million hamster token per hour. So please guys, follow these updates so that your profit per hour will be increasing massively, because I want everybody to sort of like gain in this stuff. So just look for cars that have high profit per hour. You just look at, if you pay 6 million, you're going to have 1,000 something. That is low profit per hour. Low profit per hour. Check this one I did just now. I paid just 470k and I'm going to have 5,000 something. You just check it. So please go to your Hamster Combat dashboard. Then look for cars that have high profit per hour, or go to my channel. Just look for the right cars to buy, cars that will give you high profit per hour. Just watch those videos. You will see everything. So you just try and upgrade all those cards. Always upgrade them. Then be checking your profit per hour. It will be, before you know, you're already landing at 1 million. Before you know, you are going to 1 point something million. Before you know, you are going to 2 million. So just go and try it now. Thank you. See you guys on next update. Please try and like this video, share it to others, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.